This is the Brown list. Number 1, rock. There was a rock in my shoe and that was uncomfortable. Number 2 is job. I was hired for the job of sweeping up the leaves. Number 3 is joke. I heard the joke and it was funny, so I laughed. Number 4 is some. You can have some peanuts, but don't have too many. Number 5 is stove. I heated up the stove. I heated up the soup on the stove. Number 6 is hope. I hope that the rest of these spelling sentences go easier than that last one. Number 7 is hot. I drank a mug of hot chocolate when I came inside from shoveling. Number 8 is home. I will go home after school to make dinner. Number 9 is come. I might have a friend come over to play. Number 10 is spot. There's a spot on the rug where the soup spilled. Number 11 is rose. I put a rose inside a vase on Valentine's Day. Number 12 is road. I rode in the car for an hour to get to school. Number 13 is those. Those shoes are too tight, so I will wear these instead. Number 14 is hose. I used a hose to spray off my car before cleaning it. Number 15 is hole. There's a hole in my shoe, so my sock always gets wet. Number 16 is chop. I need to chop firewood to put in the fireplace. Number 17 is broke. I broke the vase, and now there's water and flowers all over the floor.